Ever wished you could talk to a living library? Meet ChatGPT, your AI super assistant that's rewriting how we work, create, and learn. In the next few minutes, you'll master the essential ChatGPT skills everyone rightfully needs in 2025. Ready to unlock your AI potential? Let's go, rocket emoji. Welcome back to Technova AI, where tomorrow's tools meet today's curious minds. If you crave cutting-edge AI tips and futuristic tech tools, hit subscribe and that bell icon now. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 essential skills to truly master ChatGPT, whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or anyone craving an AI edge. Skill number 1, prompt engineering. First up, prompt engineering, the art of crafting questions that get genius-level responses. Want a marketing brief? Ask, generate a TikTok content plan for eco-friendly travel, tone, whimsical, 5 posts/week. That specificity, context plus tone plus structure, empowers ChatGPT to deliver polished, audience-ready output in seconds. It transforms it from a chatbot into your co-creator. Skill number 2, use cases, real life. Now let's talk impact. Education, students use ChatGPT for interactive study aids, quizzes, summaries, concept breakdowns. Business, founders rely on it to draft email campaigns, generate product ideas, and even plan budgets. Content creation, YouTubers like us use ChatGPT to draft scripts like this one, and then refine them. This tool doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Skill number 3, iterative refinement. Third skill, iterative refinement. Start with a draft prompt, get output, tweak. Example: write a blog intro about remote work. Rewrite with a more casual tone and energy. Then shorten to less than or equal to 150 words. Each iteration hones clarity and tone until you've got exactly what you want. Skill number 4, multimodal use. Fourth, multimodal inputs. Thanks to ChatGPT 4.0 and advanced APIs, you can now drop in images or code snippets. AI will analyze diagrams, clean your code, and generate captions. It's like adding extra AI senses to your workflow: visual, textual, technical. Skill number 5, ethical and fact-checking. Finally, ethical use and fact-checking. AI can hallucinate, so always verify. Cross-check historical data or medical claims from authoritative sources. By practicing responsible AI use, you ensure ChatGPT becomes a trusted partner, not just a fancy parrot. Thought-provoking conclusion. So here's the big question: if everyone can wield this tech, what will you build? A creative blog? A startup pitch? A personal mentor? With these 5 essential skills, prompt engineering, real-world use, iterative refinement, multimodal savvy, and ethical responsibility, you're not just mastering ChatGPT. You're mastering the future of human-AI collaboration. If you found this insightful, smash that like, comment below, my favorite ChatGPT skill is, and subscribe for weekly futuristic AI breakdowns from Technova AI. Join the next-gen thinkers. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries. The future needs your questions.